Roger, to what do we owe this pleasure?
I'm joining you for this meeting.
Did you bring food? It's a lunch meeting. Roger, you're home. Why the brown bag?
Makes me feel like I'm going into work when I make my lunch.
That's so cool.
So, this is my first lunch meeting. Who's running it?
Oh, no one. We eat. It's an everything but the job meeting.
Oh, okay.
Have a plan to connect beyond work, in person or remotely. Generate camaraderie around the lunch table, even if it's a virtual table. Working remotely will create a void that used to be filled with handshakes, fist bumps, and high fives. You as the leader need to find ways to fill that void. Remote workers do not always feel like they're part of the team. With more and more of us working remotely, this void will grow. Remote Leadershift, a virtual process of coaching and micro-learning videos to bring back the camaraderie of the lunchroom.